Hey guys, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we're going to install the Morimoto XB LED license plate lights on this 2013 GT. If you're looking for a great way to upgrade the look of your 2010 to 2014 Mustang, this is the way to do it. These Morimoto XB LED license plate lights are a direct fit replacement for your factory halogen housing. As we all know, nowadays, LED license plate lights are pretty common practice across the board for automakers for anything rolling off the dealership floors. So for this 2013 GT, the factory license plate lights just aren't going to cut it, especially when you take notice of the S550 style lights from Morimoto already installed on this car. So quick story, I used to have a 2011 GT and I suffered from this problem on a regular basis. So I went online, bought a pack of 8 LED festoon style bulbs to go inside the factory housing. It was a bad idea. I ended up buying like 36 total. They kept burning out on me. They were flickering. It was annoying. I would be cruising with my buddies and they would call me on the phone and be like, hey Chris, your license plate light's flickering again. And I would be like, okay, well I gotta go put another set in. This fixes that problem. The housing is a direct fit replacement. It installs in minutes, and you really can't beat the look. It's a great bang for the buck modification to modernize the rear end of your 2010 to 2014 Mustang. All right, I'm really excited. Let's go get these bad boys installed. And after we're finished with the installation, we'll show you a comparison of what it looks halogen versus LED from Morimoto. To kick off the installation, tools required, super easy. Got a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pick. First things first, comparing the stock housing to the LED housing from Morimoto, it's all in one. You don't need to worry about swapping out to the LED style festoon bulbs. It's all in one housing. So all you have to do is pop out the factory housing and swap in Morimoto's LED housing. It's really easy. So let's get into it. Beginning installation, in order to get access to these housings, you need to remove this black plastic trim panel. I grab my flathead screwdriver and start off here and work it off. There's 3 clips, one here, and one here. And there's a guide here as well. There's 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I already put the Morimoto unit in on the left-hand side, so I'll show you how to do it on the right-hand side. As you can see, there is a clip on either side of the factory housing. You need to get your pick behind the side to push this clip in to pull the housing out. Once you get one side done, it's pretty easy to grab the other. There it is. Pull the factory connection out. Swap in your Morimoto unit. Hear that click. Swap it in. And it clicks right into place. You should hear a click on both sides. And that's it. And after that, you pop your trim piece back in. And you're all done. Installation for these Morimoto LED license plate lights was super easy, ties in great with the XB LED tail lights, also from Morimoto, bringing this 2013 GT all the way to 2020. If you want to pick up a set of Morimoto lights for your Mustang or Ford, be sure to hit us up at Steeda.com, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.